Hello everyone, welcome to my channel H2 Combo. Today I'm going to show you my 3 ripe bananas. So as you can see, these are yellow, these are still green on this side. I guess because on this side they get more sunlight. I put a support here when I actually needed to put the support over here. Anyway, nature took care of itself and it broke, and then some of them got ripened, so I need to cut them down. Okay, looking from this side, they're all green on this side. Looking from this side, it's already soft. Practically I can eat one of them right now, but I'm gonna just cut them down. What's the easiest way? I'm gonna cut right here. Is this good angle? I don't know. One chop, and oops, doesn't do it. There we go. Again, you can see they're all ripe on one side only. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.